Find features that make it different from other brands. 4 XIAOHUI Mini Projector, 2025. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Advanced display. Mini Projector, Portable Projector, features 1024 x 768 native resolution with 3000:1 contrast ratio and 1000 lumens brightness for crisp, clear image projection. Versatile connectivity. Mini Projector, Portable Projector, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities allow seamless connection with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. Compact design. Portable tabletop projector measuring 5.35 x 2.75 x 6.49 inches, perfect for easy transport and setup in any room. Projection range. Projects images up to 150 inches in size with throw distance between 0.16 to 1 foot for flexible viewing options. Smart features. Includes autofocus functionality, remote control operation, an LED light source with 30,000 hours lifespan. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.